What's up, y'all? My name is Rita. I am a fire performer under the name Lava Flow Fire Show. I am going to show you today how I made my very own propane fire bubbler. The parts themselves you can get online and in hardware stores, and the construction itself took me less than an hour. So really the hardest part is just getting yourself to do it, which is true of most things in life. I got inspiration to do this project from another video, which is by Bernardo Cano, and I am going to link that video below too. What I hope to expand on in this video is more so the actual process of putting it together and a more detailed list of all the materials and the tools that I use. Before I go any further, just a word of caution: if you're not already a fire performer, if you're not already in this world of fire performance and fire bubbles and flammable things, please brush up on just basic fire safety guidelines, and if you can, really seek guidance and advice from someone who is a bit more comfortable in that world. With that being said, let's just get on into it. Materials and tools. First and foremost, a metal bowl. I got this one from a flea market for $7. Then I got a propane tank adapter. It connects to a propane tank at the bottom, then will connect at the top to a brass coupler, which will then connect to a hex nipple fitting. This is the part that goes through the bowl to release propane into your soapy water mix. I have 2 rubber washers and 2 metal washers to create that seal when I tighten everything together, along with pipe thread sealant, because we mean business. This is all topped with a mesh screened hose washer to help in creating nice even bubbles, and I just used the glue that I already had to attach that. For tools, I really just used my drill along with a drill bit designed to drill through metal and 2 wrenches to tighten everything up. I started off by marking the approximate center. It's a little bit off, but that doesn't matter too much. Good enough for me. I forgot to mention, I also used a smaller drill bit from my set just to make a pilot hole before going in there with that big 9/16 inch bit. I might also suggest clamping down your bowl to keep it steady while drilling. My approach was a bit more rough and ready. As you can see, I am using the ground as my table, and it did want to slide around, but I just made sure to go slow, and that seemed to work out in the end. Another tool that I did not mention in the beginning, but I did use, was a hammer to chip away some of those metal bits. This part took a bit of refinement, but I did eventually end up with a hole that fit the fitting, which was really the main goal here. I made sure just to fit everything together before fully tightening it. Looks good to me, so we're ready for pipe sealant. I put some directly on the propane tank adapter, then fit on the coupler and tightened it using my wrenches. You can't see from this angle, but on the other side of the bowl, I have the hex nipple, followed by a metal washer, then a rubber washer. I placed another rubber washer, followed by a metal washer on the bottom side, and this all connects to the brass coupler and the propane adapter. From here, it was just a matter of tightening a little bit more, tightening a little bit more, and looks good. To finish it all off, I glued the mesh hose washer to the top of the hex nipple. You'll want to wait for the glue to fully cure, but this is truly the last step, so you now officially have a fire propane bubbler. Congratulations.